Do you know the advantages of a ceiling channel roll forming machine? Single specification ceiling channel roll forming machine. The coil material enters the forming machine through the decoiler, consisting of a unique archway group. It produces at high speeds, reaching up to 110 meters per minute. Using a hydraulic cutting station in conjunction with the high-speed forming machine ensures high production efficiency and low time costs. One. Acrylic protective enclosure, lightweight, convenient for work operations, designed with sliding windows on all four sides for easy observation of each production process. Enhanced safety. The protective enclosure prevents operators from directly contacting the moving parts of the machine, thereby reducing accidental injuries caused by mishandling or machine malfunctions. It also prevents external objects from entering the machine, avoiding equipment damage and extending the machine's service life. Gypsum channels making machine. By manually using a hoist and changing the cutting die, it can switch between different production modes to produce various types of keels, L-shaped profiles, ceiling hat channel, U-shaped profiles. The speed can reach up to 100 meters per minute. Next, here is how different keels are produced by changing roller sets and cutting dies. First, the worker needs to loosen the screws fixed on the platform, and then use the hoist to remove the roller set from the platform. Second, use the hoist to move another roller set onto the platform. Third, use tools to fix the roller set on the platform. Fourth, change the cutting die, and once completed, production can proceed. KINGREAL supports various customized ceiling channel roll forming machine solutions. Welcome to choose KINGREAL.